In this class we will learn how to insert components for assembly. Assemblies are groupings of parts, obtained by adding relationships between them, which keep them positioned and limited. These relationships are constraints that determine the way the pieces will fit and the freedom for movements they will have. Let's go to class. To access the Inventor assembly module, just click on the New option. We will use the Metric tab. We select the environment standard, EOM, then click on Create. See that Inventor loads all commands used for assembling components. Let's insert the first component of this assembly. We activate the command Place Component or type the letter P. See that comes up the box where we should locate the file for the assembly. When we select the file, we click Open and the part is inserted into the desktop. See that every click on the desktop a copy of the part is inserted. To finish, we press the Escape key on the keyboard. In this particular case, we need only one piece. It is important to remember that the first inserted component will always be fixed. See the symbol shown in the browser. The remaining components will be mounted to the first. If this does not happen, we can right-click on the component and choose Grounded. We will insert a new component for this assembly, knowing a new way of insertion. Simply open the folder with the mount files, click on the component and drag into the desktop. Notice, we now have two components for assembly. When we click with the mouse on the components, only one moves, the other gets fixed. See the symbol shown. If necessary, it is possible to fix the moving part and release the fixed part. We can reverse this condition as follows. When we click on the mobile component with the right mouse button, we activate the Grounded option. See that this piece is already fixed. To drop the fixed component, we right-click on the component and disable the Grounded option. See that we have now reversed the initial assembly constraints. In the sequence, we will insert all the components necessary for assembly. In the next class we will continue this assembly. We learned in this class how to insert components for assembly and fix a component.